there's this conspiracy uSanusi uCredo Mutwa akhuluma ngayo of ama-reptilians, yangithola. So uCredo Mutwa athi dala umhlaba was covered by ama-clouds, yabo, and there was internal rain bekuhlezi kunetha forever and ever and ever, yangithola. And the people could not speak, bebakhuluma ngengqondo using i-telepathy, yangithola. So athi one day from the sky kuyehle amathambo made of gold, yangithola. Lamathambo la made of gold were bigger than the biggest mountains, yangithola. And from lawo mathambo lawo kuyehle ama-reptilians, yangithola, which were like aliens-like beings, ama-alien obvious, ama-reptilians, yangithola. Lama-reptilians la kama wayehla, they see people ukuthi people have telepathy, we can all read each other's brains, kusho ukuthi we're all connected, akekho ozonda omunye ngoba obvious I can read your brain mas, yangithola. And we had one sex, like there was only one gender, bekangekho umfana bangekho intombazane, like it was just one gender, yangithola. So lama-reptilian la kama wayehla, they can see ukuthi man abantu laba are connected and there is potential, yangithola. So they devised a plan because lama-reptilian lanka, they wanted to be worshipped like gods, yangithola. So they devised a plan to trick abantu into worshipping them, yangithola. So bathini lama-reptilian lanka mewayehla akhulume nabantu basitshele ukuthi they can give us ama-powers wabo, their godly powers, yangithola. And you must understand ukuthi thina we couldn't fly, bona behle from the sky, so to a certain extent we perceived them like they were gods vele, and they wanted to be perceived like gods vele, yangithola. So athini ama-reptilian lanka athi bazoshareela ipower yabo of the gods, yangithola. Then abantu at the time bavume vele, yabo. So abantu bebavuma to receive the power of the gods, lama-reptilian lanka agubhe ama-caves, yabo. Athi uCredo Mutwa agubhe ama-caves ayi-2, the green cave and the red cave, yabo. Sorry. So in the green cave kungena abanye abantu, yabo, and in the red cave kungena abanye abantu. And you must understand ukuthi we cannot speak, as we don't have a language, we only speak nge-telepathy, we can read each other's minds, yabo. So abanye bangene in the green, abanye bangene in the red ones, yabo. So laba abangene in the green caves bebaphuma as women, yangithola. Laba bangene in the red caves bebaphuma as men, yangithola. And all of a sudden people could now speak, ukuthi how they can no longer speak through telepathy. All of a sudden they could speak using their mouths, yangithola. And wonke lama-powers lanka they had before, lama-powers lanka of telepathy, of controlling things, telekinesis, of communicating with their minds, of being connected, was taken away from them, yangithola, by lama-reptilians. So obvious abantu mebaphuma babe a bit confused man ukuthi yini lento le dangling within your legs. Amantombazana mawabona abafana abuze leyo question, yabo. Nabafana nabo babe confused ukuthi yini lento le on your chest mfethu, yangithola, ngoba you must understand ukuthi before kufika lama-reptilians, before abantu bangena in the caves, there was just one sex, yabo. So manje there are two sexes, so I understand, yangithola, because a conflict within abantu, yangithola. So this was the first conflict within abantu, and then ngapha ne-language asanderstandani, yabo. So even people of the same gender, people of the same sex nabo abasa-understandani ngoba there's now different languages. Khona abafuna ukuworshipha these reptilians, khona abangafuni ukuworshipha these reptilians, yabo. So describe uCredo lama-reptilian athi their skins are like i-skins ama-lizard, yabo, are like i-skins zenyoka. Athi their eyes nazo they have ama-eyes ngathi ama-crocodile, ngathi ezeyinyoka, and they blink like this, athi their joints, like umunwe wabo doesn't have ama-joints so njengowethu, umunwe wabo it's just one joint, yangithola. It's just one joint. And even in our beliefs, like in the Zulu and in the Amaxhosa, there's stories of Umamlam, which is a snake, which is now is a reptile, yangithola. In the Amavenda, there's Uchambila, and in Lake Funditi, there are also like beliefs of a white crocodile, which is also like reptilians, reptile, obvious, yabo. So these reptilians, but they feed, they do not eat, azidli next, they only eat ama energies, like they feed on negative energies aphuthiswa abantu, yabo. So if you sad, like they feed on that sadness. If you are angry, they feed on that anger. And so if like you une-depression, jealousy, envy, lust, 7 deadly sins nje. Like they feed on wonke lawo ma-energies. Uyangithola? So wena, do you believe in this conspiracy or uyahlanya nje uCredo?